Alright guys, as you can see we are stuck on lock screen Windows 10. Uh, we are going to see this page. As you can see, no clicks or no enter keys works here, and I'm gonna show you the procedure. Okay, just ignore this login page. I'm gonna show you how to restart your Windows into safe mode. You're going to put down the shift key and you're gonna click on this power button here, which provides you with restart key. While holding the shift key down, you click the restart, and okay, here we can see three options. We are going to choose troubleshoot. After that, we are going to choose advanced option. Then we are going to click on startup settings. Here, as you can see, we can restart our Windows into safe mode. Okay, we are going to click this button and wait for the options to come up. Alright, here we can see we have to choose number 4 on our keyboard to enable safe mode. I'm gonna put the 4 on my keyboard, and the Windows is coming up. I have to put my password in. Actually, this is the safe mode. I'm gonna type in my password. Alright. Okay, as the windows come up, we can see we are booted into the safe mode of Windows. This is the safe mode, and I'm gonna click the start button, type msconfig, as you can see here, msconfig, and I'm gonna click on system configuration. This is system configuration. I'm gonna go to the boot tab, and here you can see this is the one that causing the problem. I'm gonna unclick the safe boot, then apply, okay, and I'm going to restart. This is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna fast forward to the end. I'm waiting for the windows to come up. Okay, here we can see our lock screen, and after clicking or pushing the enter button, we can log into our Windows and everything goes as normal. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.